Hello, this is Ivailov team, and I want to make you today a short instructions about HU92 of our automatic decoders, the newest generation. This is how it should look. You can recognize the new generation because of the round pins from the outside. The difference is not so big, but from the inside we almost don't have the same details with the older generations, and with the new one we have very good results of the test of these locks. And we check only one difference, and that's why I will make you this video, because this difference is very important. But if you do it correctly, you will have very good results with this lock. Very fast and smooth and solid openings with the reading afterwards. The reading the code, I mean. So we start with the reset. The reset is like the older tool. We have 8 holes in this side. You must push them all the way. Every reset tool is made especially for his tool and not other tools. So you must use only this reset tool you have in the container. With the older generation, you must to do it like this, the pins. But now you don't do this. You just push them all the way, and you leave it there. See, they pops out a little, but this is the way they should be now. Okay. The gate must be closed. The back wheel must be turned all the way right. We hold the gate like this. Check if this is the right position. Now we see that is not the right position because the gate is popping out. You just push it and it pops out. So we change the position like this. As we pushed, nothing is moving. So now we open the gate and we are ready for opening. The most important thing with the BMW is the tension must be very high tension, and it must be only the left. Tension must be only left. So we give very high tension, turn the back wheel all the way left, return it all the way right, and we release the tension. And we do it again, and we continue this operation until the lock is open. Like this. When we open the lock, we just jiggle it like this, so the combination must imprint better. And with the new generation, the most important thing is you just try to give tension 6, 7, 8 times maximum, and if it don't open, you just put out the tool and see the combination. And if you see some of the pins are like this all the way down. If it's like this, it's okay. But if the pins are like this and like this all the way down, you just see, even now you can see where are the deepest. This one, you just reset it. only the pins that are falling down, only them. You reset it, you try again, and you will open the lock very fast. If you do this procedure, the possibility of opening is 99% without any problems. So if you want to read the code, it's like old tool. You have 3 lines here and 1 line here, and if the pin is up, this is number 1 position. If it's all the way down, like we make them here, so even this is number 3, even this is number 3, and if it's all the way down, this is number 4. So this is 1, this is 1, this is 3, this is 4, and this pin is moved very little. So this is number 2, this is number 3, number 2 again, and this is number 4. This is Ivailov team. If you have any questions, please contact us.